Hello dear traders, today is Thursday the 11th of June. You're watching Daily Financial News with me, Anna Kasatkina. Today the trading session began with an unexpected decision of the Reserve Bank of New Zealand to change the current monetary policy. The RBNZ was the only one among the central banks of developed countries which avoided the monetary policy softening and sometimes unveiled its plans concerning policy tightening. According to today's meeting results, the RBNZ cut the key interest rate by 25 basis points to 3.25%. Most analysts had not expected any changes. That is why the regulator's decision caused a wave of the New Zealand dollar sell-off. Thus, the New Zealand dollar fell by 140 points to 0.7060 against the US dollar. However, comments of the RBNZ representatives increased pressure on the New Zealand dollar. Before the European session, the quote declined to 0.70. Comments on the RBNZ meeting results were unusually soft. The statement reads that the regulator is ready to extend the monetary policy softening, thus the New Zealand dollar will continue its downward movement. The situation on the currency market is also unusual. The New Zealand dollar and the Australian counterpart move in opposite directions. The Australian dollar rose by 75 points against the US dollar towards the resistance level of 0.7820. Data on the Australian labour market boosted the Australian dollar growth. The data published by the Australian Bureau of Statistics exceeded the forecast. In May, the number of employed people in Australia increased by 42,000. According to the forecast, the indicator should have risen by 11,000. The data on the unemployment rate turned out to be better than expected. The indicator lowered to 6% from 6.1% against the forecast of 6.2% growth. This was Daily Financial News on Insta TV. Thank you and goodbye.